field. The lineup final third, Gavin Consello, Jack Hurley, and Gene Walters. Left-on-left matchup, battle of wind-up. The first pitch, a fastball start. Goes through his windup here, and Pena skies this in the air to fairly deep left field. It's high in the air with the wind. Elliott's at the fence, and he can't make the catch. It's off the wall. Manny Pena had 3 doubles yesterday. He adds one on to start the game today. Starting it short today for the first time in his 3-game Double-A careers, playing second base the last couple of nights with Fernandez yesterday, including a double. 1-0 pitch, missed inside. It's 2-0. He pulls the 2-0 breaking ball really narrow as well at the back of the box. The 2-1 pitch got another curveball. It's a strike. 2-0. Manny Pena. Infield playing to pull the pitch. And he got him swinging. Curveball in the dirt. He chased it. Franco blocks it and tags him out. There's 1 away. 7 back in 2019. First pitch to the righty. Backdoor curveball. Didn't get back to the plate. It's 1-0. Pitch. 1-0 pitch. And that was the changeup right there. It missed. So the A's spent some money on him, and so far it's been worth it. He's been great. Years old. Here's his 3-0 pitch. And a breaking ball misses away. That's a walk, a 4-pitch walk. Rays are back infield playing to pull. First pitch. That's a. Here's the 0-1. And it misses away. A pulled fastball at 9. Got a Torine and a walk to Groover. Here we are. 1-1 pitch. And the slider caught the inside corner underneath this hot sun. The 1-2 pitch. And it got him swinging. Fastball at the top of the zone. Blew it by McLaughlin. Second strikeout of the inning. Second out of the inning. And now just below shoulder level at the plate. The first pitch to him is pulled down the first base line off the end of the home. Here's the 0-1 pitch. And it's a curveball outside. Jordan Chalice, a couple of great innings relief. Then Landon Sims closing things out. Hard on the ground, down the first base side. It's off the glove of Malone and into shallow right. Coming to the plate is Pena. The throw there, not going to get him. Amarillo answers back in the... With 2 away now for J.J. DeRazio. First pitch to the right-handed hitting catcher. He's well in front. And a big double in yesterday's game. 0-1 pitch flows with. Here's the 0-2. Called strike 3. Fastball right down the middle. And that is the end of the inning. Both teams, Hurley and Walters, left-on-left matchup for Gavin to start things off. He fouls this ball up onto Buchanan's arm sleeves, going down both sleeves. The 0-1 pitch, a slider that was hung up there. 0-2. Out of the windup, Lynn comes to the plate, and he got him. Fastball at the top of the zone. He blew it by Consello. And Consello down on strikes to start the frame. First pitch to Jack Hurley. Slider for a strike. 18 RBI. Saw his lengthy on-base streak come to a close yesterday. On him. Here's the pitch. And he checks his swing. No, he went around on a pitch in the dirt. Franco collects the ball, tags him out. And there is 2 away, 5. So now it's Gene Walters to the plate. Switch hitter batting from the right. Yellow batting gloves, yellow cleats, baby blue socks. Takes a big swing here. Between his baby blue socks and his pants, and they're the white tights he's wearing underneath. Nice combination. Here's the 1-2 pitch. And Walters hits it high in the air to left field. Elliott's going to have room. He's battling the wind and the sun, but he makes the grab right around where he started. For 5 yesterday, a 4-hit game, including a trio of doubles. And he swings. Here's the 1-2 pitch out of the windup. And he hits this into center field. A fly ball right at Nankiel. Makes the catch, 1 away. It on April 18th. It hadn't been done before that since Corbin Carroll did it all the way back in April. Allen up doubles. First pitch to Torine to strike. It's 0-1. The 0-1 pitch to him's a curveball that misses. Into some of the guys last night after the game. 1-1 pitch pulled down the left field line. It's just defensively. And we got a sneak peek of it there. 1-2 pitch fouled back. 1-2 pitch. And he hits this in the air, right field, and not picked up immediately by Dickey. Nankiel's going to have to come in from center to make the record for his sod poodle. He's at 141 right now. First pitch, a fastball, and it's batting .364 with 4 extra base hits this month, and he pulls this foul down the left field. In victory last night, the 1-1 pitch. Groover pops it up behind home plate. Franco loses his mask. He's at the backstop, and here's the 1-2 to Groover. Fastball just off the plate away at 94. So room for strength for this young kid. 2-2 pitch from the left side with a ton of command. 2-2 pitch, fastball up and away, 3-2. Tick up a little bit here at the Double-A side. 3-2 pitch, staying alive on the change off pitch to him out of the windup. Down and away, ball 4. Groover slings his bat backward. Ben McLaughlin to the plate, struck out swinging. Left on left matchup, hits it hard on the ground to the right side. It's right to the second baseman, Yamauchi. He snatches that one and sends it to first for the final. Six runs in the top of the third. 1-2 pitch, and Roberts stays alive on a blemish to Lynn's line so far. 1-2 pitch, called strike 3. It was a fastball taken by Roberts, and he knew it, just immediately started walking back to the dugout before the call was made. That's the 6th strikeout already for Lynn in this one, and he collects a ton of punch-outs and doesn't really walk anybody. And it looks like his day is going to be done, though. They've limited his innings, and now Gregorio Petit is coming out to the mound to take the ball away from his starter. 3 1/3 really good innings from Way and Lynn. We are going to be right back here in Amarillo in a moment. 7-1 Rockhounds.
Bullpen is sponsored by Rosa's Cafe.